We have already constructed for our residence quarter. That is already there. Very big. Such a big building is not there in that district.
वृंदावन का मंदिर का भी हर एक जो आदमी देख के आता है, हर एक आदमी तारीफ करता है.
अच्छा.
हर एक आदमी मंदिर बहुत बोलता है वृंदावन के अंदर में. बहुत
Actually, Prabhupada is doing everything. We're simply like puppets. He tells us what to do.
जो भी आदमी देख के है.
Transcendental management.
Srila Prabhupada, temple in Bombay, what we're constructing, the gate only going to be like another Indian temples. Only gates. They look like a bigger temple.
I mean those what are those called? In south you have got those temples, gates. That is only common in southern India, but not in anywhere else. Gopurams. Gopurams are not found anywhere else. नहीं, आपको बम्बई में है फनसवाड़ी. गोपुरम.
लेकिन वो इतना कोई बहुत इतना बड़ा
वृंदावन में है रंगनाथ टेम्पल is in Vrindavan or is in south? No, original south. Here in Vrindavan also. Rangnath was the temple where Ramanujacharya lived and wrote all of it. There is Srirangpuram. No? Not at all. I see. It is a business. If people give them money. No, that money is utilized for business. They are so businessmen that people go and sacrifice they are selling. That I know. They are selling hair to foreign countries. Selling hair. They are investing money for so many business. Not for preaching Krishna consciousness. No, they have started some colleges and Sanskrit Vidyalaya. College is not Sanskrit Vidyalaya and Vedic institution. They have one or two.
कॉलेज है, एयरपोर्ट बनाया है, वो लोग रहने का बहुत फैसिलिटीज किया है, लेकिन दर्शन करने के लिए टिकट है. ये क्या बात है?
You have gone for darshan, that's all. This is made special aspect for me. Otherwise, for common people, it is very difficult. You reach before deity after 12 hours or 13 hours. A huge crowd and a queue.
You have to pay money to see the Lord. One man was waiting in the queue for 4 hours. It's not free.
They take the
and he came back.
They take the fee. They take the fees for going.
Free and then some places even if you have money you can't see. Like Jagannath.
That is, they are fools. I mean, you can go, you can't say. I think one day I will have to go with them and fight out the whole case. These boys should be allowed. They follow the Sanatana Dharma. And again, now the government has got the regulations that all the temples are open to anybody and everybody. How can they refuse? Who are Jagannath? They people, they must be from Calcutta. Local. All the big temples in India have got management committees. Technically, people from various parts. Jagannath Puri, our Dwarka temple is managed by people from Bombay. Bombay, Delhi, and many other places. So they must have all attempt again.
Even one of our Indian men, they stopped. Chaitanya Guru told me that when he went there, they thought he was Westerner. They wouldn't let him in the second time he tried to go in.
This gentleman who is coming, he was a judge of that.
We can see the chakra on top. We can see the chakra on top. It is the same.
You are a temple.
What? No, don't. Yes, it has been taken out. Not here, but there. That was not fort, but that was the government of India wanted to construct an office for customs here, and we objected that you can't do it in the sea area where we have to, on the beach. So they broke it down. You know that small. not be a very healthy practice. People may anytime they come down there and just stay for pleasure. Because this country has a lot of life.
Nobody can stay without following our rules and regulations. That is not.
Externally they may follow. There may be people out of difficulty. चलो अब चांदला कर दिया ऐसा, आ गया, मन कर दिया.
Everyone is in
It will
difficulty.
be an institution for teaching spiritual life. So if he does not take the teaching, then
In one wing we must have a Sanskrit school.
that we can have. Sanskrit is already there in the books.
And then let them have a perpetual teaching of Bhagavad Gita and Srimad Bhagavatam.
Now
Sanskrit.
every gentleman knows English. So we have explained everything in English. There is no
That is
difficulty.
right, sir. But when you study a thing in English and same in original language, we find a
Original
particular
language, nobody can
peculiar.
read Sanskrit nowadays. Even the Sanskrit Pandits, they also cannot read. I have tried it. It does not depend on
Non-language.
understanding language.
That's right.
A hearing. One who has heard, given oral reception nicely, he is perfect now. Therefore our Vedas are known as Shruti. You have to learn it by hearing,
Yes,
not by studying.
in Bhakti also Shravanam is first.
Yes. Savanam Kirtanam Vishnu Smaranam Bhagavad. Janiya Suniya Bisakhay. Anyone who is not taking seriously to Krishna consciousness, he is purposefully committing suicide. It is not a sentiment, it is a scientific movement. But they do not care to understand. Therefore, purposefully they are committing suicide. Janiya Suniya Bisakhay. Very appropriate word. I have drunk poison knowingly. It's a little one.
Yes.
Hari Hari Ji Phale Bhagavan. That. I am free. What can whatever I can do without knowing. Prakriti Kriyamani Gune Karmani Sarvasi. Ahankara. Hari Krishna. I can do without.
Once a man is free of ahankar, then he is solved. It is ahankar which creates all suicide.
Ahankar, there will be. Ahankara Vimuratma. Thinking falsely something. That I am this body. Therefore he is Vimura. He is an animal. Ahankar is there. I am Brahma, spirit soul. But he is thinking I am Indian, I am American, I am dog, I am cat. Vimura. And this first principle of knowledge they cannot understand. Mudha. Mudha navi janati mami paparamabha.
That is one Vaishnavacharya has written. Nijatmanam Brahma Rupam.
Manmana. That is the only way.
That is Ananya Bhakti.
Yeah.
Bala Bhakti.
Manmana bhavamana. To become my devotee means you shall think of me 24 hours. Manmana. Then you become a bhava. not that meditation. I meditate 15 minutes and 24 hours thinking of something else.
Then you never, I'm telling you, even for, it is just like even if you sleep even for a moment, you slip down, just like a snail climbing on a wall and slip for a minute. Like that, perpetual such, to be perpetual conscious within yourself is so very difficult.
Gandhi's prayer meeting, I attended. At most 5 minutes reading Bhagavad Gita, then again politics, immediate politics. I was in Delhi, I attended the meeting when Navakhali appeared. This was his prayer, I have seen. And as a result of this, in the prayer meeting was killed. ये भी नहीं, जो बैठ कर हरिनाम करो, वो भी नहीं करते। क्यों नहीं भोगेगा? तो नेचर पनिशमेंट देगा। ये सारा कोई बात ही नहीं सुनता है। जो सारा बिना खाए के मरे, यही होगा। Last stage of collision means him die.
The way the modern civilized nations are exploiting the resources of the world, another 50 years there will be no resources left. And civilization automatically will die out. Yes, the Russians.
The occasional war, pestilence, famine.
Even there is no war, sir, or no pestilence, the population explosion and the inundation of the resources.
You are dissatisfied, I am dissatisfied.
Inundation of the world resources.
Little provocation, we fight.
Wasteful people.
Nobody is happy. I have seen in Allahabad, little provocation, 2 brothers. But I fought so much, one brother was killed immediately.
These UP people have got not much intelligence.
Then when he was ordered to be hanged, his father appeared that I am the father, one son I have already lost. If he is hanged, then you hang me, my God. Then he excused him hanging for 12 years. Upon the father's appeal. I have seen it.
They are very hot-headed people.
Not they are Bengalis.
Yeah. Bengalis are very, may I tell you sir one thing? Bengalis are highly, what we call, abhimani.
Sentimental.
Abhimani. हम हैं कुछ. Abhiman बहुत है Bengali में. Because it's an intelligent part of the people in India.
Everyone is abhimani, more or less.
No, but they are more than others. I think I am not wrong.
No, शांत बुद्धि कोनो व्यक्ति का जो उसकी शरीर को सेल्फ मानता है वो सभी अभिमानी। God. ये तो बोलता है हम जज साहब है, हम मिनिस्टर है, कुछ है उसका, वो बोलता है हम गॉड है।
You are pleading their case.
I mean to say, they are little abhiman. But what kind of abhiman this is, that I am God? Just see how foolish it is. ये तो सभी का है। हरे कृष्णा।
नमस्कार, हरे कृष्णा है।
How are you?
Okay, you are all right? Very glad to meet you. Thank you. Namaskar.
Yeah.
This man is 71 years old. He is very wise.
You have seen he under
71. I am a little biased man about Sanskrit, you know. The pleasure which I get in reading Sanskrit,
You can get,
that
but
you won't get in English.
Others.
That mistakes are there.
Others.
And the pronunciation.
Mostly 99% they know Sanskrit. And if you ask them to learn Sanskrit and then read Bhagavad Gita.
No. I say teach Sanskrit through Bhagavad Gita.
That we agree.
That is what I say.
That we
We must have it. We
give each word meaning. Each word of any Sanskrit sloka. Give the meaning. That is right.
Along with that, give them the fundamentals of Sanskrit grammar and derivatives. Then the knowledge increases. That is the way I learn my Sanskrit. I mean, a student of science don't have any chance to learn.
If one is serious to learn, he can learn. There is no difficulty.
I can now directly read Srimad Bhagavad Gita.
Dharma Khetre, Kurukshetre. Now if he inquires, what is Dharma Khetra, why it is written Khetre, then it is grammar.
That is what I say. That is the way I learn.
So that if he likes, he can learn. Saptami, Adhikarana Saptami, Sthan, Khetre, Dharma Khetre. If he simply tries to learn the nominative case, the objective case, or like that, then he'll learn. After studying,
Vishnave Mai Atmani, like that, all three things in different way. No, I mean...
Sanyaya Uvacha, that is nominative case. Dharma Khetre, Kurukshetre, Samaveta, this is plural number. Judusava, plural number. Mamaka, Pandava, Staiva. Pandava is plural number, and when it is added with cha, it becomes cha. The Visarga, in this way you can learn. Eva, again Sandhi. Mamaka, Pandava, cha, Eva.
My meaning was that, same thing, my idea was that.
So any serious student, he can learn at home. He can learn very good. And after studying one or two, or a dozen sentences like that, automatically he learns. Yeah. He learns Sandhi, he learns verb, he learns subject, object.
And we must do the fundamentals of phonetics.
No time, otherwise I would have made Bhagavad Gita grammar.
That is what I really meant when I say that.
You can do that. You can do that, people will read it. Bhagavad Gita grammar. Only Bhagavad Gita teach them grammar. Just like Jiva Goswami compiled Harinamamrita Vyakara. Similarly, you write, you have got both the knowledge, Sanskrit, and through English, Bhagavad Gita grammar. People will take it. I am not trying, otherwise I have done it. Simply, nominative case, objective case, Shabda Roop. Jai Pataka's plan is prepared or not?
We are going to do that today, Srila Prabhupada.
आचार है परमो धर्म।
और सब नाम से बड़ा बड़ा ये सवेरे उठना, थोड़ा भगवान का नाम करना, इतना भी सिखा नहीं।
कोई नहीं सिखाता
नहीं, जानते ही नहीं।
That is taught by the mother.
लेकिन
Sanatana Dharma is preserved by the mother. But the modern mothers are lipstick mothers. So, you don't
They are
expect
killing their children.
that. No?
In Western countries, the mothers are killing children. Advises girls, daughters, oh, you are pregnant, kill it.
There is no scientific.
बहुत मकान
अभी तो बहुत बनेगा, बहुत कॉस्टली एरिया बन जाएगा ये।
ऊपर का था इधर।
मंदिर बन जाने के लिए तो बहुत कॉस्टली एरिया बन जाएगा।